Hi there, this is the Luminar team. In this tutorial, we'll show you the full power of our Relight AI tool. You know those photos where the front is super dark, but the background's way too bright? Well, that's exactly what Relight AI is made for. Brightness near lets you control how much light hits the foreground, usually your subject. Brightness far takes care of the background. Together, they let you shift focus and balance the scene, so no complicated selections needed. Then there's the depth slider. It defines where near ends and far begins, so the transition between the two feels soft and realistic. You can really feel the depth effect when there's a clear separation between the foreground and the background. Relight AI understands that distance and adjusts the light in a way that feels natural, almost like it's happening in real space. You can also use masking to apply Relight AI only to specific parts of your photo. For example, using a linear gradient is perfect for landscapes when you just want to tweak the sky or the ground. It gives you more control and helps keep everything looking smooth and natural. And besides linear masking, you can also use a brush, a radial gradient, or even select the subject automatically, whatever works best for your scene. Now let's talk about warmth. With warmth near and warmth far, you can make the lighting feel cooler or warmer, separately for the front and the background. So if you want a golden sunset vibe in the distance or a cooler tone up close, it's just a slider away. It's a great way to match the mood of the scene or fix strange color casts from different light sources. Well, let's take a look at the final results, the before and after images, made using only Relight AI. So, how do you like the result? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss the next videos, where we'll show how to combine Relight AI with other powerful tools in Luminar Neo. See you soon!